Dear customers, concrete wall panel is becoming more and more popular because of its special advantages, easy application, cost-effective, etc. It is the best alternative for those traditional materials like the blocks and bricks. Customers care how to install the panels. This video mainly shows the installation process of this kind of a panel. First, we should put the panel into the installation site. Before installation, we need to put the baseline. The baseline needs to be vertical to the floor so as to guarantee the flatness and the verticality of the panel. Secondly, fill in the mortar. Clean the surface of the wall panel. Make it wet by water. Then put the special fillings mortar on the groove of the wall panel. Thirdly, install the panel. Put the panel onto the installation site with the filling motor. Use the shovel to lift up the panel to make the panel closer. Squeeze out the extra filling motor from the jointing. Must guarantee there is enough filling motor between the jointing. Fourthly, cutting the panel. The standard length of the panel is 2440 to 3000. The width is 610 mm. During the installation, we could cut the panel into different sizes according to the requirement. Fix the panel. After installation and correction, fix the panel with wood wedge temporarily between the panel and roof floor. The connection between two panels, besides using the mortar, in order to reinforce, need to use 200 to 250 length, 6 or 8 steel bar to fix at least 100 mm into the panel. If the panel thickness is above 125 mm, need to use 2 steel bars. Checking. Using 2 meters guiding ruler to check the flatness and verticality of the panel. Joint treatment. Put the jointing mortar between the two panels. Scrape out the extra mortar. Guarantee the jointing part is flat with the whole panel. The scraped jointing area needs to be 4 to 5 mm lower than the panel. because next step we need to fill the special jointing mortar here. Grouting. After 7 days installation, fill all the top, bottom, and the jointing between panels. Here you need to pay attention to 2 points. First, using enough mortar to fill the jointing. Second, after 6 to 8 hours, then begin the next process. Install the pipeline. Before slotting, draw the baseline first, then use a small slotting machine to cut. Avoid to cut violently. During the installation of the pipelines, please pay attention to the following points. First, do not drill the holes at the same place on both sides of the panel. Second, if you need to install the pipeline at the same place on both sides of the panel, please make sure the distance between the pipeline above 100 mm horizontally and vertically, so as to guarantee the soundproof character of the panel. Third, the thickness of the groove could not exceed 2/3 of the panel. The width could not exceed 400 mm. Fourth, when installed pipeline horizontally, need to be less than 350 mm. The panel could meet different kinds of door frame installation. Final step for the jointing. Clean the jointing area and put the anti-cracking fiberglass mesh. Here need to pay attention. If you need to use the perforated tape, need to put it into water for 30 to 60 seconds. Then, using the index finger and middle finger, scrape the extra water. Dear customers, this is the whole production process for the installation. If you have any questions, please feel free to share with us.